Hello, welcome to DIY with Jojo. On this channel, I post easy and affordable DIY projects and everything home decor. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how I made easy paper flowers which can be used during birthdays, baby or bridal showers, or you can even use them in your homes and hang them in your bedroom or your baby's room. So this is going to be a two-part series, and in this first part I'll show you how to make large petal flowers, and in the next episode, which will be out next week, I'll show you how to make rose flowers, the leaves, and how I did hang the flowers on the wall. What you'll need is colored cardstock papers. So I used white, gold and black, your pencil, a pair of scissors, and your glue gun. So first you're going to trace your template on your cardstock paper. So for the templates, I'll leave a link in the description box below. So for these papers, you can get them from Garima Paper Stationaries, which is on Crossroads, or Burhani Graphics, which is on Voi Road. So you'll need 8 of the large petals, 8 of the medium petals, 6 of the small petals, and 6 of the extra small petals. So first you're going to cut a slit almost halfway down your petal, and you're going to glue it, and then take the other half of the petal and fold it over. So the size of the petal will determine how much the flower is going to project towards you. If you do a big slit, the flower is going to be very flat. But if you do a small slit, the flower is going to project more towards you. So you're going to cut halfway through, glue your petals, and do this to all your petals. So you're going to take your petals and you're going to curl them using your glue stick. So you curl them like this, and then you do the same on the other side for like a minute or so, and then it should be like this. So take the next one, do the same thing, curl for like a minute, less than a minute. Do the same on the other side. So this is how your petal should be. Next, I'm going to free cut a circle from one of my papers, and it's going to provide a base for my flowers to be glued on. So evenly spread your petals so that you see how they are going to fit before you glue them down. So apply glue on the lower part of your petal and glue it down on your paper. So take another one and do it closely to the first petal that you glued down, and then you're going to repeat with all your petals. So for the next set of petals, you're going to glue them between the first two petals. So do the same. Make sure they don't overlap too much. So next, to make the center bud for the flowers, I'll take a strip of the cardstock paper and then I'll fold it over in half and cut small slits all along the strips. So after you're done cutting the slits, you unfold your paper and fold it the opposite way. And then you apply glue on the inside part so that it sticks. Just a little bit of glue, and then when folding, you fold it an inch inside so that the strips will loosen more. So you should have less than an inch inside and on this other side. So I'm doing this so that I can loosen the glue and then start rolling. This is how it should look. So start rolling the inside part, glue it, just a little bit of glue, and then start rolling. So this is how it should look like. So try flapping it on the outside so that it lies a little bit lower. So take take your flower and apply glue on the outer side of the flower. And then press it down for like a minute or so that the hot glue sticks to the center of the flower. So, and this is your flower. So for this flower, we've used the same template that we did for the other flower. So if you want your flower to be bigger, you'll just use a bigger template. You'll have to use bigger than the medium. This was a medium. Yeah, you'll have to use a bigger template. So we are going to do the center part of the flower. After you've cut your strip, we are going to roll it. So apply glue, then roll it. Roll it down, 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 roll it down. Nani? Bora? Sijakuwa kwenye mtandao. Saizi kana weird. Like a flower cow. So try to bend it on the sides. So next thing you'll do, you'll just glue it and place it in the middle. So you apply glue underneath, and then you press it down to the center. So this is your other flower. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. So if you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe. And remember to turn on the bell notification so that you're notified when the next episode drops. So until then, ciao.